person here is high as all get out on the road. They've almost wrecked 2 or 3 times, and now they're drifting back and forth. The passenger is passed out, or appears to be passed out. We can't pass them because they're all over the place.
There he goes.
And they just wrecked. Seen that happening.
I just saw that.
Oh my god.
Damn, we just saw that, recorded it.
Oh my god, the camera.
You should be okay, right?
What the heck?
We literally just installed this shit.
They're okay.
Please don't tell me that truck's there.
Oh my god, there's a...
No, it's still over there. No, they're okay.
Oh my god. The camera.
Oh, bring him up. Bring it up. Keep reeling. Oh, keep reeling. Come on, where is he? Whoa! You caught that all by yourself? How old are you to catch that? 3. You're 3 years old? Show me how many fingers that is.
There's a car next to you.
Damn, look at this shit, man. Oh my god, stop.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Fuck, man.
Oh. Oh, shit. Dude, I got that on camera.
Yeah, this idiot right here fucking cut in front of him. Cut off.
What
Cut him
the?
off.
This guy's shirtless?
He probably hot too. Let's see if he
Man.
Let's go see what's going on.
Is that guy?
Hello there guys, Justin here, and in today's episode of Moto Madness with Justin, we have a pedestrian playing Crossy Road. People like to say that I have road rage. I don't believe them, but you know, I'll let you guys judge for yourself. So you know, we're coming up on a crosswalk. Crosswalks have stop signs for the pedestrians, but nothing for the drivers. So you know, I'm just driving, doing my own thing. You know, here it is up ahead. Here we go. You know, nothing abnormal, and then bada bing, bada boom. This jackass.
You son of a bitch, it's a stop sign! Dude, stop sign! No! Get back here, you piece of shit! Hey, it's a stop sign!
So I wait for him at the other end of the trail to give him the look of shame, my disappointment in him, but he never showed up. He probably found a grave and buried himself where he belongs. He's lucky he didn't die today, and I'm lucky I didn't run someone over today. So, sir, if you're watching this, it is a stop sign. Get some eyes, dumbass. See what I'm talking about? I don't got road rage. I just have a little bit of anger towards people who do stupid things on the road. You could call it that. Definitely. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Adios.
You need me to help push? Can you roll your window down, open your door? Can you put it in neutral?
This stop right here.
Turn your key to on, put your foot on the brake, and put your gear selector in neutral. Turn your key on like you're gonna start your car. Yep, now put your foot on the brake. Foot on the brake. Yep, now move your gear selector into neutral. See the N? No, the gear selector. The gear selector. Neutral. Yeah, neutral. No, N. N. It's running a little rough. All right, go home. Turtle. Turtle rescue! There you go, little guy. You're okay now.
you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.